Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Guys, take a moment to appreciate this. Look at my price prediction line from yesterday. It's almost surgical in its accuracy, until we broke structure again. Honestly, I'm not even surprised anymore. Now let's unpack the carnage of today's price action. We saw Bitcoin bounce off $96.5 thousand, grinding its way up to $98.3 thousand before an aggressive sell-off wiped out -4%, bringing us to fresh local lows at $94.3 thousand. Here's where it gets interesting. Bullish divergence flashed on both the 15-minute and 45-minute time frames during the drop. On the 45-minute, you can see how beautifully the price respected the $95 thousand blue horizontal line, showcasing its strength as a key support level. Right now, as I record this, Bitcoin is hovering around $97 thousand. My outlook, I anticipate some sideways action, consolidating around $96.5 thousand before we potentially gear up for a recovery. And here's why. The one-week liquidation heat map paints a clear narrative. There's a massive stack of short positions that market makers will likely target, starting at $98,350 and stretching up to $105.5 thousand. If you know anything about how this game works, you know these areas are ripe for liquidation hunts. That upward magnetism in the heat map cannot be ignored. But here's the twist. While the higher time frames are bullish, the intraday volatility tells a story of aggressive liquidity grabs both ways. It's not just retail traders getting chopped up. Institutions are playing their hand here too. This morning's dump wasn't just about testing liquidity at lower levels like $95 thousand. It was a precision move to clean out over-leveraged longs sitting between $94,300 and $97,500. And now the tables are set for a potential short squeeze higher. Zooming out, there's another piece of data I can't ignore. ETF inflows. Yesterday, we saw a staggering $483.6 million in inflows, led by BlackRock's IBIT ETF, which alone accounted for $398.6 million. This kind of institutional demand is what lays the foundation for sustained upside moves, and it's a critical piece of the puzzle when framing our expectations for December's price action. As for my trade, I'm still holding my long from $99.5 thousand. It's been a roller coaster, but my system is clear. I'll ride this out and exit in profit. The key now is patience. Consolidation around $96.5 thousand might be boring, but the structure is setting up for a strong recovery toward those higher targets. I'll continue updating you on my moves, and as always, if you want real-time updates, join my Discord, link in the description. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay ahead in the Bitcoin game. And see you in the next one.